today we're going to do an unboxing for the UEndure tea infuser set. When it arrives, you'll see that the packaging is gorgeous and it's gift ready in this package itself. I would slap a bow on it and give it as a gift, and anyone would love it. So once you open it, you'll see that it comes with extra washers, and the bottle comes in a neoprene sleeve that protects the bottle and also makes it really easy to handle. What is really unique about the bottle is that both sides come off, which makes it really easy to clean, and the tea infuser is also at the bottom, which doesn't interfere with tea drinking. So I'm going to open it for you guys. Show you, here are some directions. Put that in the box. And these are the pieces. The tea infuser basket easily screws on and off of the bottom of the lid. Now I'm going to show you how to brew the tea. I would use our tea because it's USDA organic certified, and the directions are clearly stated on the back as well. Screw the bottom of the lid back on. Now we are ready to brew some tea. And now when you fill up your tea infuser, make sure to leave an inch or so at the top just for tea expansion. Now you'll notice as you pour, it's not going to be hot because of the double pane glass. And now you're ready to enjoy your tea on the go. Now it fits super easy in a car cup holder, and it's really easy to put it in your backpack or even your purse just to take it anywhere you want to go. That you can use this as a fruit tea infuser, which is also really cool because it's multifunctional. Now, I hope you found this video informative. You can go to UEndure.com for any of your unanswered questions. Now you can enjoy your bottle to go. Oh, and remember, when you make healthy choices, you endure.